Alright guys, so this is the mini bike in its current condition. You can see it's pretty bad. It looks like it's been sitting outside for some time. It's got debris, dirt, all kinds of stuff, rust. So I'm currently working on sanding some of the frame to try to get the rustiest spots out of it, like right down here on the swing arm. As you can see, it's obviously going to need a new chain too. The chain is completely rusted out. I've been sanding the oxidation off the cylinder head right here, so you can see on the side where I did it, it looks a lot better compared to, say, this portion up here on the top that I haven't touched yet. So you can see it's going to make a real big difference. I'm planning to use some air tools on this to really get a good cleanup, because the sandpaper is not going to do so well as the air tools. As you can see, there's just debris all over inside this thing, so once I get some more tools, I'll be able to do a lot more on it. But this is the current condition of the bike. You can see it's in pretty rough shape. It's got cobwebs, all kinds of good stuff in it. So just giving you guys a quick video on how it looks. You could say the before video, and I'll do some more videos on it as I continue to clean it up and get it ready and get parts for it, and we'll see how it looks. All right, thanks guys for watching. Bye.